Are those?
Massive audio.
Yeah, the massives. Is this a 6th order?
ParaPlex.
8th order, yep.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Nice. So you have 3 MD8Ks.
Lithium, 352 amp hour.
Really? Wow, that's a lot of lithium.
Two alternators.
Okay. Nice. Ooh, and you got back seats. Wow. Nice. That looks really good, man.
Appreciate you.
Are those?
Massive audio.
Yeah, the massives. Is this a 6th order?
8th order. ParaPlex.
8th order, yep. That's a rare one. Excuse me. Ooh. Wow. I like the wood stain look too.
Appreciate you.
Nice. Alright. So what's your name, man? And
Tim.
what was it? Tim. Alright.
Carolina Quad.
Carolina Quad. Okay. What is your tuning specs of that box?
It's tuned from 25 to 70.
25 to 70 hertz. Okay. And have you metered it yet?
I do 56.
56 dB. Okay. Nice and sealed off. You see all the way around.
Sealed all the way around.
All right. And you, nice.
You ready?
Sealed? Sure. that mid 20 hertz range all the way up to, like you said, what, 65 hertz, 70 hertz? Wow.
It played grill.
Ooh. What was that called? Paraflex?
Yes, Paraflex.
Paraflex. So there's a back port too.
Yeah, the back port is all the way down
I see
behind
it.
the speaker.
Is it slotted all the way down?
Mhm.
Yep. Did you build it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Did everything myself.
Nice. So it's built all the way around, and then you got what made?
I
So-
mean, it's a slide in, and I built that every day.
Yep.
To go
Okay.
around it.
So what made you do
3.
inverted versus mounted regular?
I wanted them in the box.
Yeah.
But the dude who designed it, he said they'd get a higher bass with them up like every day. I told him
Got
I
it.
wanted it
Okay.
low
so
and windy.
Yeah, low and windy. So you gain more in the low end with the mounted inverted. Got it.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Awesome. Appreciate it. What was your name, man?
Tim Turner.
Tim?
Carolina Quad.
Carolina Quad. All right. Thanks, Mike.
Oh yeah, you know it.
Yep.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.